Hi everyone, it's Linda from Living Linda, and today we're exploring one of Porto's most iconic landmarks, Mercado do Bolhão. This isn't just any market, it's a place where history, tradition, and everyday life come together in the heart of the city. Mercado do Bolhão first opened its doors in 1914, and for over a century it has been the beating heart of Porto's shopping culture. Recently restored and reopened, the market is brighter and more vibrant than ever. Yet it still retains that authentic charm that locals and visitors love. As you wander through, you'll find stalls overflowing with fresh produce, colorful fruits, vegetables, meats, cheeses, homemade pasta, and seafood straight from the Atlantic. It's a true feast for the senses. And it's not just about food. The flowers here are stunning, filling the air with color and fragrance. You'll also come across artisan products, local specialties, and handmade items that make perfect souvenirs. Think chocolates, artisanal salts. Wait, is that chocolate salt? Sign me up. You'll also find olive oils, sardines, and other tinned fish and candies that are sure to please. If you're visiting Porto, stopping here isn't just about shopping, it's about experiencing daily Portuguese life. Don't forget to head upstairs, where you get a fantastic view of the bustling stalls below. From here, you can really appreciate the architecture, the iron balconies, the tiled details, and the open-air design that has made Bolhão a symbol of Porto for more than 100 years. And of course, if all that exploring makes you hungry, you can grab a bite to eat right here in the market. From traditional Portuguese snacks to freshly prepared meals, it's the perfect spot to pause and enjoy the flavors of the city. On the upper level, there are several restaurants to try. I love this cauliflower steak from Casa Vegetariana. Need a snack? Try the fresh fruit or smoothies. They are as delicious as they are beautiful. So whether you're here to shop, to eat, or simply to soak up the atmosphere, Mercado do Bolhão is a must visit when you're in Porto. If you found this video informative, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more adventures across Portugal.